Our train from Bangalore was scheduled at 8 pm in the evening yesterday, and we reached Ernakulam town at about 7:30 in the morning.
Hello guys from Shillong and welcome back to our channel Travel Cinema Official. We are traveling to Kerala and this is episode 2 of the Kerala travel series. We booked a cab from Shillong and we left for Guwahati airport to board a flight to Bangalore, which was scheduled at 2:25 in the afternoon. Before we proceeded further towards the airport, we stopped at Nongpo to have our food. Nongpo is 55 kilometers away from Shillong and a drive of 1 hour 30 minutes to reach. Almost all travelers make a stop here to have their food and tea at this place. After having our food, we resumed our journey towards the airport. The airport is now 65 kilometers away from Nongpo, and the time to cover the distance was just about less than 2 hours of drive. We reached the airport at about 1 in the afternoon. Our flight to Bangalore was Vistara UK 756 scheduled at 2:25 pm and it lands at Kempegowda International Airport, Bangalore at 5:35 in the evening. Vistara operates daily flights from Guwahati to Bangalore. In a span of more than 8 years of its operation, Vistara has rapidly expanded its flight connectivity to 47 destinations in and outside India. Our flight of 3 hours 10 minutes was a comfortable one and we landed in Bangalore at the scheduled time. Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore is the third busiest airport in terms of passenger traffic, air traffic movements and total cargo handled in India. At the exit of the airport, we booked a cab for Majestic Railway Station, also officially known as KSR Railway Station. We were boarding a train 16526 Kanyakumari Express from KSR Railway Station, which is scheduled at 10 past 8 and reach Ernakulam at 7:35 in the morning. The rain started pouring as we drove towards the railway station, which was at a distance of about 35 kilometers away from the airport. The route from the airport to Majestic Railway Station is always a busy route, especially when you are taking this route in the evening. At peak hours, driving on Bangalore roads, you always get caught up in heavy traffic. So it is always advisable to leave with enough hours in hand to reach your destination in time. reached the station just in time at 7:30 and boarded a train scheduled for 8:10 p.m. This train runs daily from KSR station Bangalore to Kanyakumari, but our reservation was up to Ernakulam, which arrives in the morning.
Good morning friends from Kochi, Kerala. Yesterday we reached Bangalore at 5 in the evening after a 3 hours flight. As we reached Bangalore or Bengaluru, which is now known as, we were welcomed with a slight drizzle. It was kind of cold compared to the hot and humid temperature of Guwahati. On reaching Bangalore, we booked a cab to KSR railway station. KSR railway station is 35 kilometers away from the airport. It usually takes about 50 minutes to reach the station. However, due to heavy traffic yesterday, we reached the destination in just about more than 1 hour's time. Our train from Bangalore was scheduled at 8 p.m. in the evening yesterday, and we reached Ernakulam town at about 7:30 in the morning, a travel time of approximately almost 12 hours. For now, we have checked into our hotel. We will freshen up, relax, and end this video here. We will see you soon in our next episode. Thanks for watching. So let the journey begin. Give us two tea. Yeah.